Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today, uh, in the daily newspaper of Saturday, April the 30th. Yes, let me show you Saturday, April the 30th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. Told you I drop this to solve because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So one regular Sudoku, and in the newspaper we have here an additional with 6 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. And today I will do the Sudoku Medium and 3 puzzles: the tectonic with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And the rest of the puzzles tomorrow. Yes, Sunday. Okay, let me start with the regular medium Sudoku. And this will be number. Let me zoom this. Zoom. Yes. Okay. This will be number 4482, I believe. 4482. Yeah, 4482. There's my red pencil, yes. 82. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, this in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. All right. 6, 8, 8. Okay. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see that 9, number 9, that 9 should be here. 9. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here in this row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Right. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in the last column, no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? So we have an 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. 8. 5, 6, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes down. 149. 149. Alright. Then. Let me see. Five in this row. 5 in the last row. So there will be 3. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Can I count? Yes. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be 9. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. Alright. And then. Two missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9, okay. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 here in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Okay. How about the 4 and 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I remember those two boxes, 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, here, 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. Almost. And I like this one. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, told you I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. We have here the 3, 4, 8, the 9, 1, 2, and 4, 3, 1. We have here the 1 as a pair, the 3 as a pair, and the 4 as a pair. 3 pairs. Alright, great. Medium Sudoku, and I like this one, yes. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, practice still continues. See you later for the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.